What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the F-150. We're going to be upgrading the fog lights. So an awesome company, Lasfit, sent us some Switchback LED fog lights. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned. So here's a little unboxing. They have some awesome packaging, and these are by Lasfit, and they're the Switchback LED fog lamps. So what comes in the box, like always, some nice stickers, owner's manual, and the lights. So here they are. So they come with these modules, and if you look closely, they have like two sets of little LEDs. One's yellow, one's a little bit lighter. Alright, let's get to installing these, see how they look. So to install these, it should be fairly straightforward. They're just plug and play. I don't think you need any tools. You might need zip ties or maybe Velcro to attach the little module somewhere. And the way these work is they switch from yellow to white with just a toggle inside the vehicle. You just click it and then double click it and it switches the light, the color. So that should be pretty dope. So to get started, we're gonna start with the driver's side. All you do is you twist this bulb and it should pop right out, and then you have this little tab, you just pull on it and the whole bulb just disconnects. And we're going to grab the bulb and one of the modules, and we have to line these up. And it has a watertight seal that just screws on. And then you just plug this in right where this disconnected. Okay, so got the first one in. You kind of have to play with it. There's not that much space here, and these bulbs are longer than the originals, and you have some excess wire. So I'm gonna zip tie all this up, make sure it's out of the way and not wobbling around, and let's do the other side and see what it looks like. So I got the passenger side disconnected, and it's a little bit harder to do that because you don't have that much slack. What I found is if you unplug this first from the bulb, it's a little bit easier to get in there and twist it, because if you don't, this kind of gets twisted up to the right and it's a little bit tougher to get out. So if you disconnect this first, pull the tab and pop it off, it's a lot easier. Okay, so we got the passenger side hooked up. The easiest way to do it is to get the bulb all the way inside of there. There's a little bit of space, and then come in from the top and insert it into the housing. It's a little bit easier that way than trying to go from the bottom side. So get the bulb all the way in there up top, and then slide it in from the top inside the housing, and everything looks like it's hooked up. So right now we're going to test it out because the polarity might be off. I think that's what it's called. So this could go on either way, this way, or flip it around, and if it's the wrong way, they're not going to work. And we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so the way I mounted the module, there's a hole right there in the metal, and I just put a zip tie to that, and I coiled up some of this excess wiring and put another zip tie on there. That way it's not really shaking around anywhere. And then on the passenger side, I did the same thing. There's like an extra hole over here up top. I attached the module to that, and also coiled up the excess cable here or wiring, and that should do it. Okay, so we got both of the fog lights installed and we're gonna check them out now. Start the car, lights are on, and let's turn them on. Okay, so that's gonna be the white, and to switch it out to the yellow light, you just double click this and it switches out to the yellow light and back to white. Turn them off. Okay, so these are the white lights and they are bright. I'm 100% sure they're brighter than my other aftermarket ones I had on here, but I will be able to let you guys know once I try them out. So that's just a plain white, and it matches really good with the headlights. And these are the yellows. So these are supposed to be, like, a yellow light is supposed to be much better in foggy conditions or rain, even snow. So this should help out a lot. Even though the white ones that I had on were really good, but I'm pretty excited to check out how these work. And that is it, guys. I mean, there's not much to it to get these swapped out, and you have white and yellow light. So if you guys want to pick up a set of these, I'm going to leave a link in the description and also a discount code, so make sure you guys check it out. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Peace.